Hello YouTube viewers, thank you so much for tuning in, and today I would like to share with you an empty room, and this is the empty dining room in my gigantic dollhouse. Many of you might remember, or maybe you're new to my channel so you might not know, but I have created tons of creations in this room, even a Christmas theme that I had going on all Christmas. But I have removed everything now because I want to test out the floor, the different options that I have for flooring. Now this is the original floor. It's in great condition except for a little imperfection there, but that's nothing. I will create using this floor, but right now I just want to test out my different options, and I am doing it with placemats. I'm going to insert a placemat in here so that you can see. This is one of my options, and it's a wooden beaded placemat. They're all round beads, but it looks beautiful for this floor. And it doesn't have to meet the sides either. It can be a short placemat that doesn't go from wall to wall, so that's okay. So we're going to try something else in here. I have several options. I have another placemat that I bought at Macy's. Macy's has a backstage area where they have clearance items, and I bought a set. I actually bought 2 sets of these placemats, and I was left with 2 extra ones. So what I'm going to do is, with those 2 extra ones, is use this one as flooring. Look at that. Beautiful. And you know what? The color blends in so much with the wall decor and the valances. So this is a great option. I mean, they both are. And you know what? I'm going to be creating a Thanksgiving dinner in here. So I have, look at that, I have a little turkey here. So you could imagine this turkey on a table right in the center of this dining room. So this placemat would be great for that. But let's test out different placemats. I have another one to test out. So this one that I have here is a foam placemat. Oh my god, I love these colors in here. Look at that. And as I said, the corners of the placemat don't have to meet the walls. You know what I'm saying? It could be just right there, right under the windows. That can be left as wood, that could be left as wood, and this could be the flooring. Look at that. Beautiful. But I have more options, so let's see what else goes in here. Now I have this one here. This one is great for a Thanksgiving creation because of the color. Look at this. It's an orangey color, but it's like a dark orange. It's actually like a pumpkin color. I'm not sure if it's because of the light that it doesn't show the color, but it is like a pumpkin color. So let's see. Oh, look how great that looks. So I have another one. This one is great too. I love this one. Now the one I'm going to show you now, I bought at a yard sale, and I ended up with extras also. Look at this green one. Isn't that beautiful? Look at that. This will really make the furniture stand out because it's a light color, but the green also goes with the Thanksgiving themes. So this is an option. But you know what? I think I'm going to create on all of them. But there has to be one which will be the final one. So it might be this one, not sure. So I'm going to test one more out. Okay, so this one is a gray placemat. It's beautiful and it matches the walls. Look at that. This one matches the walls. It might not be my first choice, like for Thanksgiving, because it's gray, the gray and white. I think these other colors, like orangey colors and green, I think those go better. But this could work for a future creation with the walls. Look at that. And then this room has so much potential. So yes, I think my favorite one here might have been the green one and maybe the round one, the braided one. Let's see something. Let's see how this braided one looks again. Yeah, that also works. Look at that. Well, don't worry, because you will see creations on all these floors, so you won't miss out on anything. So I hope that you enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for watching.